Good afternoon, everybody. Hope y'all are having a great day today. Ooh, who's all ready for the weekend and for some good old college ball? I know I am. Ready for to show them South Carolina Gamecocks who's boss around here. Oh, man. I ate some of that good coffee, some of that natural caffeine before I go work out this afternoon. This stuff is what I'm drinking. This is some good stuff. It's the 250th anniversary Navy Black Rifle coffee. Pretty good stuff here. Yes, I drink it straight, just like it is coming out. None of that making it into a fancy milkshake there. Just like it's supposed to be. Well, today's episode got another beautiful story here. Headline: Sheriff's brother-in-law allegedly grew marijuana at jail where he worked. Folks, th- I, what is up with people? You're going to grow you're going to grow marijuana at a jail? Wow. Jill Perez de Leon, brother-in-law of San Francisco Sheriff Paul Miyamoto, is facing criminal charges for allegedly growing and smoking marijuana inside County Jail number 3, where he worked as a plumber. De Leon has been employed by the jail system since 1999, well before Miyamoto took office in 2020. The incident came to light in 2022 when a fellow plumber reported finding De Leon smoking cannabis in a maintenance area. According to an incident report, De Leon reportedly replied, "I'm a bad boy." Oh, dude. Whoo. Sketchy, I tell you. I'm a bad boy smoking some of that devil's grass. Woo. Further investigation revealed rumors that De Leon might be cultivating marijuana plants in a locker at the jail, with reports of grow lights and starter plants being seen in the facility. How does this even happen? Do they not take like a little gander around the facility, like a little walk see through? And they don't happen to notice some marijuana plants all of a sudden popping up. Like, how did he even like get this going without someone seeing him? Like, do they not have cameras in every single room? I mean, obviously besides the bathrooms, but I mean, come on. Oh goodness. De Leon was charged with 2 misdemeanor burglary counts for allegedly entering the jail with the intent to commit larceny or a felony, and one count related to cultivating marijuana. He pleaded no contest to the marijuana charge, and the burglary charges were dropped as part of a plea deal. Okay, well, did he do it or did he not do it? What I don't understand plea deals. If he did it, you served a jail time. Like, who cares? Oh, I plead guilty. Let me reduce my sentence. No, no, that's retarded. If he pleads guilty, hey, look, same charges. That's the dumbest thing we have ever come up with. Guilty is guilty. I don't care if he admits to it or not. There ain't no like, oh, great, he admitted to it. Okay, great. Well, we're done with that. Now let's charge him the same amount we would have charged if he was found guilty and pled not guilty. It doesn't matter if you plead guilty or not. You did it. Serve the time. That's a bunch of retardedness. Good. Sheriff Miyamoto was not involved in investigation due to his familial ties with DeLeon. However, once informed of the situation, Miyamoto took immediate action to terminate DeLeon's employment. DeLeon's lawyer, Ace Lipton, stated that his client was a medical marijuana user and emphasized that the familial relationship did not influence the case. Okay, so he had medical marijuana user. Okay, that had nothing to do with growing it, though. Boy, I tell you, they got some great people around here. Oh, come on, folks. Let's use our brains for once. Let's use our brains. Like drinking some good coffee from Black Rifle Coffee. No, they're not a sponsor, but yes, I do like Black Rifle Coffee. Coffee's great. Support our troops. Of course, most of them are veterans themselves. Well, hope y'all enjoyed that. If y'all like what y'all seeing, hit the like button, bell for notification, subscribe, and thanks to all the subscribers so far, pushing about almost 250. We're about to get to 300. Thank all of y'all for subscribing. Much appreciated. Comment, and I will see y'all later.